Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can extend C drive without any software in Windows 10, 11 and 8. So all you have to do now, open the Windows Explorer, and this is the local DC. So you can click manage here, and here we go, storage disk management. You can click. So this is the computer management of your disk. So as you can see, there are two hard drive on my PC, and this is the SSD. So I talk about the C one, the C drive. So you can right click and try to extend volume in here. So if the extend volume gray out, it means you cannot extend your hard drive because there is no unallocated a space on your drive. Here the information: the extend volume option will gray out if there is no unallocated space next to the partition you want to extend. So to create an allocated space, you will have to delete partition that is next to partition you want to extend. So you have to delete some a partition here. You can volume and you can format your disk to enable extend your volume. So there is nothing help to it. Or you can create, or you can install new hard drive and extend volume for it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.